Have you ever noticed how exhausting it is to live in survival mode? Think about it. When you look at your daily chores, your cleaning routines, or your daily job, does it just feel like a heavy, endless manual labor? For a long time, my internal world felt buried by that exact weight. I was running on empty, treating my daily work as an exhausting burden. But healing is not only about inner self, it is about the physical spaces we create, the routines we choose to honor, and the community that walks alongside us. I had a massive shift in my life when I stopped looking at cleaning as a chore and I began to see it as a sacred ritual. If you're nodding your head right now, I want you to take a deep breath because you can make the internal shift from surviving to actually living with intention. You see, when our minds are chaotic and reactive, our physical spaces instantly match our internal space. Clutter outside breeds clutter inside. But here's the secret: you can actively fight that mental clutter by changing how you touch your physical environment. Remember, healing doesn't happen in a massive, a dramatic explosion. It is hidden in the tiny, quiet details of your daily practices. You know, when I first started my own healing movement, I had to slow down to look at my actions objectively. I realized that every single choice we make in our spaces carries a deep spiritual weight. It is the first step to turning a chaotic environment into a peaceful sanctuary. Let me show you exactly what this looks like in my own daily life. The eco-friendly products I carefully select, the water precisely measured for a deep clean, and a simple sunlight dishwashing liquid turned into a profound symbol of purity. Every single swoop of the broom became a silent prayer. Every polished surface in a property handover became a living testimony. Healing was no longer an abstract idea. It was right there in the details. Each home cleaned and each room restored became a reminder to my mind that brokenness can always be transformed and dignity can be restored. So, Lesasimo is no longer just about cleaning, it is about creating healing, empowering your daily routines, and proving that an intentional life is possible. It is about family, community, and testimony. It is about proving that every single act of service carries immense spiritual weight. Believe me, I know how hard it is to take that first step when your mind and your environment feel cluttered. Because I have lived it, I wrote a step-by-step framework about this exact breakthrough in chapter 4 of my upcoming book, The Healing Movement. So I want to share it with you today, completely free, because I believe everyone deserves a sanctuary. I want you to pause this video, go down to the description or the very first pinned comment below and click the link to download my brand new daily routine tracker along with your chapter 8 preview. Read through it tonight and let the words sit with you. If this message spoke to your heart today, please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment letting me know if your home environment matches your internal space, and join the movement. Thank you for being with me in this space. Remember to choose your words, protect your energy, and I will see you in the next video.